Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So whether you're trying to find specific items quickly in your admin dashboard or want to control exactly how products appear to buyers on your collections pages, sorting your Shopify products is super straightforward. And in this one, of course, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Alright, so firstly, let me show you how to sort items in your backend admin list so you can manage inventory faster. So just log in into your Shopify admin here and click on products here on the left panel. At the top right of your product list table, you can click on the sort icon. Let me see if I have it. Okay, so what you're looking for is this little kind of a fence icon, I suppose I could call it, or a window. Click here and there you go. As you can see, we have the sort by. So that's what you need. So from this drop-down menu, you can choose how you want to sort your catalog. For example, by product title, created date, inventory level, or type, whatever you wish. Okay, so just click here. Let us say I want to sort by inventory, so how many items I have, how many pieces I have for a certain item. And now it will be the way that the product that has most in stock will be shown as the top at the top of the list. And as it goes down, obviously you'll have less stock for a particular product. So just this drop down, guys, right over here. Okay, choose how you want to sort and then just press save, update view. There you go, bingo, and now your defaults are changed and your sorting is now changed as well. That's it. As always, like the video if this was helpful and subscribe to the channel.